Are you getting problems gaining qualified leads? This is a question that most companies ask, but they don't know how to gain qualified leads. Lead generation is something that most companies can give you, but the question is, are they qualified or unqualified? Because a company can give you 10,000 leads, and those leads may not have any interest in your business. And then it's like a waste of money. Do you want something like that? For example, when you go to a financial institution, the loan officer, they ask certain questions. For example, are you gainfully employed? Minimum period of 1 year without break of service. Then second question, provide me with your pay slips over a 3-month period. Third question, do you have some sort of payment plan that will be feasible to you? They want to find out that if it is that you can repay this loan. So necessary questions need to be asked. And it helps them not to waste their time and also your time. So you understand why it is that these financial institutions qualify you immediately. Let's say that you have not been accepted for the loan. What the right thing for a loan officer to do is to still take your contact information to provide you with things that you should work on over a period of 6 months to 1 year. And after that time, reach out to you again, because people's situation do change. It is only sense. And that way that sales, we talk about following up, but I would change the word following up and implement check it in, to find out how things going, if I can provide some assistance, because I want you to become my customer. I want you to get that loan, because it's something that you would need whether to purchase a car or to purchase a home. One great way to